everyone, welcome to Asian Home Kitchen. Today we're making bubble tea or boba milk tea. There are many things I would like to share with you today. Let's get started. Alright, I got water in the pot, then bring it to a boil, add bubble in. Cook it for 25 minutes. Remember, cooking the bubble, use boiling hot water only. If you cook it on low or medium, it will be stick together. During cooking, stir it often to prevent them from stick together. After 25 minutes, turn to low heat, close the lid, leave it for 20 minutes. While cooking the boba, we're gonna make syrup for the boba. Turn to low heat, add 1 cup of brown sugar in the pan. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of water. Stir until the sugar is dissolved. Get back to the boba. After 20 minutes, I'm gonna filter it. You can wash it with clean water again if you like, but I think it's good to go like this. Then add the syrup. Mix well. Then I'm gonna cover it with a pan. Set it aside. To make the tea, so simple. I got matcha green tea, jasmine tea, and lipton tea. You can find them at any grocery store or you can find them on Amazon. I got powdered green tea in a small container like this. When you open, you will see a smooth powdered tea and it smells incredible. I'm using about 1 teaspoon. You can add as much as you like. Then add 50 ml of hot water. Give it a whisk until it dissolves. Set it aside. I'm gonna make lipton tea. I'm using 2 packets for a better taste. You can adjust to your taste. Then add 50 ml of hot water. You may think 2 tea packets with 50 ml of hot water. Oh, that's too much tea. Don't forget that we're gonna add milk in. It will be fun. Okay, last one, jasmine tea. Any brand you like. Jasmine tea is smells amazing. If you never tried it before, just try it. You will love it. 2 packets with 50 ml of hot water. Close the lid, set it aside. To make milk for the tea, add 125 ml of sweet condensed milk. Add 70 ml of hot water to dissolve the sweet condensed milk. Add 300 ml evaporated milk. 125 ml of heavy cream. 200 ml fresh milk. 2 tablespoons of sugar. I use white sugar. That's it. Set it aside. To make dark sugar milk, it isn't tea, but it tastes delicious, sweet, creamy. Oh, you will love it. I'm going to add 3 tablespoons sweet condensed milk, 50 ml of hot water, 50 ml evaporated milk, 75 ml of heavy cream, 100 ml of fresh milk. Mix well. Set it aside. I'm gonna add bubble in a jar. I like it so much, I'm gonna add a lot. So if you want to keep it, you can keep it in room temperature for another day. Okay, I'm gonna add green tea. Then add milk that we just made it. Whisk a little on top if you want, okay? Yes, it's good to go. Next, I'm gonna do lipton tea. Squeeze it to release more flavor. Add milk in a jar. Then add the tea. Another one is jasmine tea. Oh my gosh, it smells so good. Add in a jar. Milk in. See, it looks good right now. Next, dark sugar milk. I'm going to coat the inside of the jar with the syrup. Then, you just add the milk in. That's it. Wow, it's beautiful. I'm not finished. I have 2 more things for you to try. Let's get into it. I got red syrup. Hail Boo Boy, Hail Boo Boy brand. Okay? You probably think it's cherry flavor, but it isn't. Honestly, I don't know what kind of flavor it is, but it tastes very good. I got it from the Asian market. I don't know. Another one, of course, it's grape flavor. So if you want to try, go to the Asian market, walk to Thai department, then look at the label. You will see a boy wearing a green hat and green boots on there. So get which color you like. Okay, I'm gonna make the red one first. Add 1 tablespoon of sweet condensed milk with 50 ml of hot water. Add 2 tablespoons of syrup. If I say something wrong, you can't understand. I'm sorry about that. I'm so sorry, okay? 125 ml of heavy cream. 175 ml of fresh milk. Mix well. Pour in a jar. Another one so easy. Do the same thing. 1 tablespoon of sweet condensed milk. 50 ml of hot water. 2 tablespoons of syrup. It's a grape flavor. 175 ml of fresh milk. 175 ml of heavy cream. Mix well. Pour it in a jar. That's all. To make it more delicious, don't forget to add some ice. Alright, thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Bye!